happy holidays to you guys. Here I'll be showing you another quick video on how I make some Christmas cakes. So there I'm showing you my sugar and my buttercream. I'm showing you my fruits, my eggs, my flour mixture, and I will drop my ingredients in the description box. If I don't drop them immediately as I post my video, I will definitely drop them in the description box for you. All the ingredients that I used, quick and easy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So there I am mixing all my dried ingredients together, which is flour, breadcrumbs, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, a little salt. Here I am adding in my eggs. After I crack them, I remove the section that is supposed to be removed. Don't want to get too technical. And I added a little lemon zest to my eggs. So I am just showing you this portion using a hand mixer. I used my industrial mixer because I baked cakes for sale, so I used my industrial mixer. So I'm just showing you with the regular hand mixer. I add my fruits first. It is up to you whatever you want to add first. It does not matter. I added my fruits and I used my hand mixer to mix this out because I did not want to use my hand and a wooden spoon. There are many different ways how people make their Christmas cake. This is my way. That's it. After adding a batch of fruits, then I'm adding in some strawberry jelly in this, some almond, some vanilla extract, browning, and some molasses. Then I mix again. And we all know molasses is a burnt sugar, the same as browning. However, I love to use both the browning and the molasses. Then here I added a little port wine and I mix again. And I try not to overbeat my batter. There I'm showing you the texture and what it looks like. I just can't let you go. To all the new subscribers to my channel, thank you for subscribing. Please remember to set your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. Thank you so much for your support. And then for my flour mixture or my dried mixture, I add this in evenly. I add an amount, then I go back, mix, then I add an additional amount. Now I bake these in my oven. Once I added them to my tin, my oven was already preheated at 275 degrees. Once I added them to my oven, I added a water bath also. This helps to lock in the moisture in the cakes. There are my finished orders and they came out excellent. I sprayed them with additional alcohol and I covered them. Thank you to all my supporters who ordered cake. I know you all enjoyed them. Thank you for the support. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between Thank you for coming back to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Stay tuned and see you soon in another video. You will see the slide at the end. My cake came out really nice. Remember now, Christmas cake can be done like regular cake, pudding, however you like. Thank you and see you soon.